me about your experience here.
When I came to Center Valley, I had a severe problem with grinding my teeth. Dr. Matt told me he could fix the problem, and lo and behold, he did. And I used to grind my teeth incessantly at night. Now my teeth are clean, they're straight, and I don't grind my teeth. I used to have a lot of headaches. I now have 0 headaches. I am thrilled.
Oh, thank you, John. We appreciate you as a patient.
Oh, I really appreciate the work he did.